My people, I don't bring una matter from Minister of Finance. Him name na Zainab Ahmed, and this thing happen for the briefing media wey happen for State House for Abuja. So this woman come outside come dey tell people say, because according to matter wey dey ground now, everybody don dey criticize am say borrowing don dey too much for Nigeria, say any small thing na borrow, any small thing na borrow. So this woman don come outside now to respond to all of una wey dey criticize am. If you know say you don talk about this thing now, she don come out, and according to her, she say the level of borrowing say e no dey unreasonable, say e no dey too much, so make una stop to dey talk am. And then according to her, she say if they stop to dey borrow, na im be say we go dey backward, we go dey behind, and we no go fit build infrastructures. According to am, no be me talk am. My people, and I make my own research, so I can't bring this one come on aside, because as not say many of una no even know the total borrowing now wey Nigeria get since December 31st 2020 last year na 25% of the gross domestic product. Na im this woman still dey open mouth dey talk say infrastructure, this one otide o. She has come again. Anytime wey una see this woman, just know say borrowing matter don enter inside. E no dey pass borrow this one, we are building this one, we are building that one, and we never dey see the building. E be like say na wetin I no understand. Abeg, all of una wey study finance, na wetin dey teach una for school abi wetin? Because now I dey try understand all these things. All the money wey these people don borrow, we no fit boast of one thing. We no fit boast, like come out come talk say okay, na this thing we do o, na this one we no do. Una build anything wey we go talk say abi the thing wey una dey build na for air e dey, wey we no fit see am. Wey the thing wey una don build, because we no dey see am. Infrastructure, una just dey borrow. Now the infrastructure wey dey talk about, no, make una relax. All the infrastructure, because which infrastructure? E na just to dey squander our money, squander money. I no just understand. Una no even see, assuming they even dey borrow money, invest. You understand? So that at least by the time they invest that money where they don't borrow, it go come multiply, then we go fit clear debt. Even if not fully, at least half of wetin we dey owe. Like that. But we no even dey see. Everything pocket. See, my fellow Nigerians. See, if it's like we go start now to dey look for where we go. No, we go start dey find the place where we go now. Because since when this Minister of Finance enter this seat, she just dey make life unbearable for citizens. We don't even know where we dey go, whether we just dey one place or we know they go. We very incompetent human being. Start dey find your new country where you know say you go hide now. Me, I don't start. Because very soon now, China go just call Nigeria, boom. Door by door, they go dey knock, they collect our house keys. Say ngwanu, una time don expire, say Nigeria now belong to us. Una go see am. Now that one I go open. I always dey talk on this thing every time. Because now una know how much Nigeria dey owe, and na dey show say no be just China, Nigeria dey owe like this. So other countries go dey involved, and we never even dream of okay now may we start to dey pay. We never even think of that one. Make una sit down there dey wait. The one where I even dey pity now na person wey go come and see 2023. My brother, wherever you are, just know that you have work waiting for you. Work, the Lord is your strength. My people, na the matter be this. So wetin una think, wetin una no think, stay drop am for that comment section. Make sure say you subscribe, share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen for this place. Stay tuned for our next story. My people, Ghana don't become first country where receive COVID vaccine. This one are through World Health Organization for COVAX program. For now, we no, I don't bring am now. World Health Organization, they give all African countries vaccine, and now they don't start from Ghana, #1 champion. They send aeroplane with 600,000 vaccines for Ghana. As we dey talk like this, no be small jubilation. President Nana Akufo-Addo just dey, in fact, he just dey plan different celebration everywhere. No be small thing, My people, I'm not saying now as I don't bring this on, I go get many things to talk. But see, make a first stay on my mind. If you ask me, I just dey see different red flags for this case. And when I not say red means danger, now be say automatically when I suppose know by now say I no agree. But relax, I don't come give una my own reasons. Many things they attached to this one, I know they support am. First of all, my people, when una hear say why people they give African things or some things, una suppose no say by now no be free something. Una suppose they alert, because these people they no dey give anything for free. Oh. If they give you one, they go take 10. They know they play with white people. Even with themselves, they know how they run their matter. So imagine black people. And una know by now how they see us. I no need talk am. You understand? So that one alone don't make me sit down, they think am. And this one now, so now they say they bring donations now with different policies. For instance, now this homosexuality thing wey dey ground, una no even know. They get headquarters as I dey talk to una like this for Accra. This LGBT people, they don't get headquarters for Accra. And President Nana Akufo-Addo never still condemn am. You understand? Normal level. Okay, we are not in support of this or shut it down or something. He never even talk am. To the extent where bishops for Catholic even gas calling attention. My people. This one alone, they make me they think many things. Then number 2, who be one of the biggest people where they sponsor World Health Organization? Bill Gates. Same person wey come outside they tell us matter some years back. Say the world today overpopulated. Say they need depopulator. I go teach you na English today. To depopulate, I be say they need reduce am. Say we too plenty. This one alone suppose make you think deep. Think deep, oh. Make una no just dey surprise if later una go just hear say all the people wey take this vaccine say they no fit born again, oh, they no fit do this one. All the normal things wey una know say that they do, una go just discover say una no fit do am. Make una no just dey surprise because I don bring am today. Number 3 reason. All the laboratories now where they don't release this vaccine from, you understand where they bring am from? As I dey talk to una now, they don't sign waiver. Meaning say all of una wey go take this thing, they don't protect themselves now from any lawsuit. So if you take am, you do on your own. For una wey no know wetin e mean, or you are on your own. If anything happen to you, you no get any right, single right like this, where you go come outside, you dey point fingers, you dey accuse person, you no get any rights. Una government don't sign am. All these things where they talk about, they don't already sign am, they don't undertake am. So make una open una ear. See, I bring this thing so that una eyes go open. I don't need tell una again, make una dey wise. If you not say you need me to tell you to be wise, wherever you are now, kneel down, let me start praying for you. Because you need extra deliverance. Next one, make I even go straight to our leaders. African leaders, na them, ogas at the top. Mr. Nana Akufo-Addo, President, sir, Your Excellency, sir. They don't give you free vaccine now. You don't come out, they throw party, they jubilate, they celebrate. Like say na him buy am. Like say he use him money buy something. Meanwhile na free. Oga launcher. Any small thing, you go launch. Any small thing, you go launch. Now so you go buy string now for first lady. You go come launch am. Anything where they happen for Ghana na launching ceremony. Una no know. Abeg, make I even give una just small taste. You understand? Because if not, we go sleep here. First one wey happen, they give them cooking utensils. Celebration come. Ngwanu. After that one, they build shit hole. Sorry, toilet. Ceremony happen. Ngwanu. They give them soapy. Ceremony happen. Ngwanu. Now vaccine. Ceremony too. Omo. Ceremony upon ceremony. Like say person waste money. Ghana researchers say never even sit down say okay, make we examine this matter. They never do am so that they go come out with results. Say okay, it's safe or it's not safe. You understand? They want start to the ceremony. They want start the share and they want start to inject people. Make una take una time. Now why I bring this matter? Because some of una now una go dey rush. joy overflow in your heart, vaccine don come, una go dey run, dey join queue, dey take injection, dey do this one, una no know wetin una even dey all of una wey dey celebrate, if only una know, una go even pause 1 minute think about una life. Why we even dey talk about this vaccine? Last time wey I check, World Health Organization borrow our president Nana Akufo-Addo money, no be thousands o. Na billions we dey talk about like this o, money. All in the name of wetin? The agreement be say, okay o, say e go build 88 hospitals for Ghana. And that one happen last year. Till today, we dey 2021 now. We never even see anything wey dey say they dey build o, different noise everywhere. I remember when this matter happen. 88 hospitals. Ngwanu dey give you money now. Where the money? Make it no be wetin I dey think o. Hope say no be that money una don use do campaign for us. I don dey think about this matter since my people. No wonder. Anywhere you go just dey hear prices, houses, properties, money, account balance. This one, even person wey no get any high level for politics, if una dey see mansions, properties wey dey get, this one get 16, this one get 20 estate, this one wife do this one. No be for us o, for themselves. Selfishness everywhere. No wonder. Now they understand, because money just dey vanish. The only thing wey we dey hear, okay, this is the agreement, so amount has been given to so person. Now the last news wey we dey hear. After that, na Panadol Extra. We no know where e enter, we no know where e come out. Now una dey make Ghanaians dey owe. For una wey no know, una dey owe. Sit down there dey chop banku and fufu. Una dey owe. If only una know. Una go start dey work. Selfish people everywhere. My people, na the matter wey I say make I bring una. I have come because I am your eye opener. So you understand? So that una eye go open. So if una like, listen. If una like, no listen. Wait, make they do research. Find out very well before una take any action. Very, very important. So drop those comments for that comment section, because I know soon I get many things to talk about, and I will reply on one by one. Share this video, make everybody know what they happen for this house. And if you never subscribe, that is soon I will miss everything where we drop here. Stay tuned for our next story.